some of us might also have questions like, does Bhagavad Gita promote war? It doesn't promote peace and all that. But the Kauravas, the sons of Dhritarashtra, they tormented the Pandavas like anything, which we cannot even think of tolerating. So they tolerated so much, and they were Kshatriyas, and because it's the instruction of the Lord to wage a war against the Kauravas, they did so. And if it is about the Lord and his instructions, if it is peace or war, it's all the same. It's absolute, because the Lord is absolute. He has no impurities. He's Amala. He's without any kind of impurity, and whatever he says, if we follow, it's all auspicious. So there is no point of thinking about materialistic war or peace. The situations which Pandavas faced because of the Kauravas, we cannot even tolerate not 1% of that. Still, Arjuna was a great devotee, so he wanted to go in peace with the Kauravas. But Lord Kṛṣṇa cannot tolerate difficulties for his devotees, so he wanted to kill them all. So he used Arjuna as an instrument. That's it. When he decides to kill, no one can save them. When he decides to save, no one can kill them.